Welcome to Best Pre-Owned RV. This is our 2017 Newmar Baystar 3306 with Bunks. With under 23,000 miles, this coach is barely broken in and ready to see our beautiful country. As you can see, this Newmar has a beautiful full body paint, outdoor entertainment, and huge power awning. The two stacked windows you see outside are for each bunk, giving them their own view of the world and beautiful scenery outside. If you'd like to tow a vehicle, this coach is equipped with a 5,000-pound towing capacity. This coach sits on 22.5 tires. They are Michelins and they are 2024s. They are also in great shape. As you step into the coach, you'll see there's plenty of room provided by the 3 slides in this Newmar floor plan. Both the couch and booth both make beds for extra sleeping. And let's not forget about the bunks that are located just down the hall. You don't get this often, but this master bedroom is equipped with a rear-facing window so that you can enjoy the view in those back-end camping spots. If you're wondering where the bunks are located, they're in the hallway behind the nice wood paneling to the right. As you open those doors, you will see 2 bunks with ladder that attaches to the side for whoever's sleeping up at the top. You can easily close these doors to close off any mess or storage that you may not want to look at as you're enjoying your time in this Newmar Baystar. If you're interested in this coach or any other coach we may have, please visit us at www.bestpreownedrvsofsc.com.